Hey car enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into a common yet tricky issue that might be messing with your ride, the P0171 code. Specifically, could your brake booster be causing it? Let's find out. First things first, what is a P0171 code? It means your engine is running lean, or in plain English it's getting too much air and not enough fuel. This can lead to rough idling, poor acceleration and even stalling. But here's the kicker. Sometimes the culprit isn't what you'd expect. Enter the brake booster. This unsung hero makes your brakes easier to press by using engine vacuum. But if it's leaking, it can throw off your air-fuel mix, triggering that pesky P0171 code. So, how do you know if your brake booster is the bad guy? Symptom check time. If you hear a hissing sound when pressing the brake pedal, that's a red flag. Another sign is a stiff brake pedal, making it hard to stop your car. Lastly, if your engine stumbles or runs rough only when braking, you might be looking at a vacuum leak from the brake booster. To confirm this, a simple test can help. With the engine running, press the brake pedal and hold it. If the idle speed changes, you might have a vacuum leak. You can also use a smoke machine to spot leaks around the brake booster. If you find a leak, replacing the brake booster should fix the issue. Remember, always follow your car's manual and safety guidelines. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, seek professional help. So, that's the scoop on how a faulty brake booster could be behind your P0171 code. Don't let it mess with your ride. Tackle it head on. And as always, keep wrenching and stay safe on the road. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car tips and tricks. Drive safe, my friends.
Subscribe to our channel. Easy DIY. Thank you.